Hello everyone, welcome back. This side Chavi, and today we will do part 2 of chapter 6 Judiciary from the book Indian Constitution at Work. But before I start, I request you all do like, share and subscribe this channel. In this part beta we will learn about the structure of the judiciary and cover page number 127 till 130 of your NCERT book. Beta, in this we will learn about the difference between Supreme Court and High Court. We will learn the difference under headings including functions, composition, eligibility and lastly terms. Functions of Supreme Court of India. First, its decisions are binding on all courts. It can transfer judges of high courts and even can move cases from any court to itself. It can even transfer cases from high court to another. On the other hand, high court can hear appeals from lower courts. They can issue writs for restoring fundamental rights, can deal with cases within the jurisdiction of the state and exercise superintendence and control over courts below it, including the district court and subordinate court. Composition. Beta, the Chief Justice heads the Supreme Court and a maximum of 30 judges assist him, while in every high court it consists of a Chief Justice and other judges. The number of judges is decided according to the size of the state. Therefore, the number of judges varies from state to state. Now in eligibility, to qualify for the appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court, the person must be a citizen of India and have experience of at least 5 years as a judge of High Court or at least 10 years as an advocate of a High Court, or be a distinguished jurist in the President's opinion. While for being the judge of the High Court, the person must be a citizen of India and should have 10 years of experience as an advocate of High Court or 2 or more such courts in succession. Lastly, we will talk about the term. Beta, there is no fixed term of office for the Supreme Court judges. They serve till the age of 65. Supreme Court judges can be removed by the President on grounds of misuse of office, proven misbehavior or incapacity. In previous video, I told you as well that the process of removing the Supreme Court judges is called impeachment. The process involves a motion which contains the charges against the judge. Beta, this motion must be passed by a 2/3 majority of the members present and voting in both the houses of parliament. While in High Court, the judges can serve till the age of 62 and the procedure to remove the judge is the same as that of Supreme Court judges. Now we will talk about the function of district court and subordinate court. Beta, district court deals with cases arising in the district, consider appeals on decisions given by lower courts, and decides cases involving serious criminal offences, while subordinate courts consider cases of civil and criminal nature. So this is all about the structure of the judiciary. In next video, we will learn about the jurisdiction of Supreme Court and High Court. I hope you have understood whatever we had done. Beta, please read from page number 127 till 130 from your NCERT book. For any query, you can ask me in the online session. Even you can write me in the comment box. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.